Just got my Everlast welder. Box is kind of beat up. Got it from UPS. Okay, here it is. This thing's freaking huge. I have to put this on the ground. There. Just opened up my Everlast welder.
Still smells good.
Dude, it is so good. Like, oh my god.
This is everything I've got. That's the gas regulator. It's looking good so far. No scratches on it. Nothing's missing. So this is the premium package. It came with a gas regulator, foot pedal, gas tube, all the parts that go to the torches, stick holder, fancy ground clamp, number 9 TIG torch, air cooled, and if I'm correct, this should be a 17 torch. $26. Thought it was a 17. And they all come sleeved. Look at this beauty. Look at that beauty. Drinking soda.